Vick Strizheus here. I'm the founder of the 4% Group, and welcome to this video. So you're here probably because you want to know how can you start earning money this week, right? If you're trying to promote an affiliate offer, if you're trying to promote your own stuff, if you're trying to make money on the internet and you're failing, hey, I think I can show you something that can hopefully change that for you, okay? Look, again, as I said, you could probably care less about me. I'll tell you a little bit about myself. We'll get to know each other here. I'll introduce myself in a minute here. But let me show you something that's more important than just me, okay? A lot of gurus, will show you and bombard you with their results. Here's what I did and here's how awesome I am. Let me show you what's really important to me, which is, at the end of the day, how many people can I help, right, with what I do? Okay, so take a look at this. We're actually gonna let's do this live. Okay, we're gonna do this with no safety net. Okay, I'm gonna log into to our 4% Facebook group, and we just launched this out literally just a couple of months ago. Here's what I'm going to do. Okay, we've got some people here in the group. I'm going to do a live post, and you will watch. Again, obviously, you're watching this computer screen. So let's do a live post together, okay, on this one. And I'm gonna say, hey guys, how many of you have made a sale in the last few days by following our systems and strategies from the 4%? Let me know below. And I'm gonna let's go ahead and pose this right now. Okay, so we're gonna do this live. Okay, we're gonna do this live right now. Here's a post just went out. Okay, and what I would like for you to take a look at is the power of the strategies that I'm about to walk you through. Very, very simple process. Okay, so what we do is we earn money. I teach people how to earn money online by promoting real, legitimate products that are in high demand in the marketplaces. But the way we go about doing it is totally polar opposite than what everybody else is doing out there on the internet. Now, take a look at this. Okay, so we're going to be, let me just go ahead and refresh this. Okay. Refresh this page. Now check this out, okay? Check this out. We've got somebody reported the post. We'll deal with it later. So check this out, okay? 1 minute ago, what do we have here, okay? We've already got some comments coming in. Yep, I have made a sale. Love this simple system. This funnel works like crazy. Already have 4% signups to my Tech Academics member. I'm expecting many more. I have made a sale. I have, check it out. Look what happens. Look, I have, me too, right? I have made a sale. I have made more than 2,000 on a front end. Okay, me too. We've got people typing right now. So what I'm going to do, check this out. This is how awesome is this. Should I say I have made sales? I should say I have made sales. Yep, Anna Malamon is saying. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to let this run, okay, for a few minutes as I explain to you what we do, because this, I believe, can work for anybody, regardless of your experience level, regardless of, even if you're on the budget. I believe this can work for you. It doesn't matter if you failed 314 times before, right? I believe this can work for you. The reason most people fail is because there is two things that seems to be happening in this industry. There is a lot of theory. A lot of people will tell you the theory, right? Here's what you should be doing. And there is a lot of complexity. So theory and complexity. Well, what I've been teaching my people to do is how to focus on results and simplicity. Okay, which is exactly what I'm going to show you what to do in this video, and you can apply this information to anything you're promoting, and I think it's gonna serve you tremendously here. That I can't help but look at this, look at how crazy this is. I should say I made a sale. Okay, sales are rolling in fast. This guy's over here. Okay, so Paulo made a sale. My first. Okay, over 700. Okay, following the 4% strategies. Yep, got my first sale. 48 hours of setup. Sales coming in every single day. Look. This is not a screenshot, my friend, okay? This is not something that is focusing on the guru. This is real people. A lot of them were brand new. Now take a look at something else. We're about to dive into the actual, the nitty-gritty of exactly what we do, what we do here that actually works, okay? That you can apply in whatever it is that you're doing. We're doing things totally differently, and it's working like nothing else I have ever seen over the last 12 years of being online, okay? So here is what else is happening in the group. Here, take a look at this, okay? Let's see what we've got. 21 hours ago, okay? Been online for 10 months and finally made some sales along with 2 Live. So Jody here, been online for trying to make money for 10 months, and she finally had her first breakthrough, okay, without spending $1 on advertising. Okay, pretty cool. Look at this. Maya is saying, here are my results so far. Look, she posted this 17 hours ago, right, into the group. This is insane. What you're about to see is unlike anything else you have ever seen. You can be a stay-at-home mom. You can be a stay-at-home pop. You know what I'm saying? If you just have that desire to break through and you're looking for something that's real, something that works, and something you can get your hands on and run and get results, hopefully, okay? Even if you're on the budget, even if you don't have a lot of experience in marketing, I'm going to show you how you can change all that this week if you're ready for it. Okay, now check this out. This is what fires me up, okay? Vernon over here, 23 hours ago, okay, prior to joining the 4% group. This is just members talking in the group here, okay? This is like 24 hours ago. I have struggled for many years to make money online. I have joined many systems in the past only to have little results due to theories and complexity. The biggest check I've ever earned one time was about $1,200, which I got very excited about. After joining the 4%, the following simple step-by-step instructions, I was able to earn the biggest check of $4,800. Plus, I have made multiple streams of income. I'll talk to you all about that. So here, he's excited, $4,800 check. He's made, right, Operation 100K. People talking about, which I'm going to mention to you what that is. Look, this person right here, Ted. OMG, I love being a 4%er. Using these funnels is like having an unfair advantage, 4% for life. He's got 45 members to one of the companies that we have a marketing funnel for, which I'm going to walk you through exactly what. I'm going to take you behind the velvet curtain, so to speak, and tell you why our systems work so great. I'll tell you some of the secrets that nobody else will share with you in the industry, at least to my knowledge. And I'll tell you how you can apply them in your business. Look, this is just insane. I can go on and on and on. So let's go ahead and refresh our pose here and see where we're at so far, okay? So it's been 7 minutes. Take a look at this, right? It's been 7 minutes. 7 minutes ago, we posted this. Yes, I have made sales, okay? Crazy funnel, 728 in a few hours, thanks to the 4%. Having sales, Yahoo, I made 4%. Okay, look at this, look at this. Hey Vic, just following your plug-and-play system, I've already made 2 sales in a few days. The 4% funnel works, I just made sale, upgrade to, okay, so look, this person right here, I've made a sale and a lifetime upgrade for a total of $256 and $4,800 back-end sale in 5 days. Okay, so over $5,000 in the last 5 days, best system ever, thanks Vic. I have made a sale thanks to the amazing 4% marketing system, the greatest profit system I have ever seen. Okay, I have 4% sale, 2 Techademics ambassador sign-ups, Larry's getting, works. Okay, look how many excited people we have here. Look at this, Orlando Herrera, okay, made some sales, made $4,800. This is for one of the companies that, that we have funnels for. I did almost 250 and I'm a newbie. Very exciting stuff. Me, okay, look, people are typing. This is, you can't fake this, okay? Got a question for you. Would you like to know how we do it? So the reason I wanted to show it to you is to shatter any potential doubt that, will this work? And if you're coming like this, will this work for you, okay? I'm telling you, it can work if you're ready for it, okay? So what I'm gonna walk you through is exactly what we do inside of the 4% group, exactly how we structure our funnels, how we promote. Okay, what do we promote? Okay, we promote products that are in high demand, but we do it totally differently. We don't compete, we dominate, okay? And so I'm gonna take you, actually let's go ahead and do this. I'm gonna take you over to my other studio to where I can, we can use like the whiteboard and everything like that. And I'm gonna walk you through, it's a 3-step process that if you follow, it can be $1 million lesson for you in your business, okay? And of course, if you're ready to change your business, if you're ready to start generating real results on the internet, literally this week, if you're ready for it, this week, I'm gonna show you how you can do that, okay? Now, I do have to give you this disclaimer. I'm not here to guarantee or promise any income whatsoever. What I will show you is what we're doing today that's working unlike anything else I have ever seen. And you can use it literally 15 minutes from now, okay? Let's go ahead and get over to my studio with the whiteboard and let's get to this.